taking the nation by storm is an entirely new asset class that has everybody confused and even has your grandmother questioning, what's an NFT? In this beginner's guide, we'll cover all of that and more. Hi, I'm Dane, designer, artist, writer, NFT creator, and more. With over 15 years experience in design and technology and a knack for making things simple, I'm here to help you today and talk about the NFT guide for beginners. Old people, young people, this is for you. If you have no clue what an NFT is, blockchain technology, stay tuned, dive in, let's go over it. So in the NFT guide for beginners, we're going to have fun exploring blockchain basics, NFT technology, how to get started, collecting, trading, creating, developing, and some helpful tips along the way.